in a single jump. So this morning I regretted that I didn't take a video of this kite dog. This dog that he climb on this kind of height fence in one jump, in a single jump. So he's so agile that I regret that I didn't take a video for it. But I comforted myself is that the past had passed and the future had not yet come. So even I regret for it, but there is this your structured sentence that live in present. It's not that this is wrong, because it's just the only present you can live. So it's not necessary. It's unnecessary to regret it for the past and do this. Imaginary being obsessed being indulgent in the imaginary of future. Okay, see you.